Manishankar Iyer is a British agent. He is a colony agent. He is talking in a colonial mindset. That is what Hinduism means. That is what we have said. Hindutva is a different, altogether totally a different thing. It's inclusive. What do you mean by Hindutva or Hinduism? It is not a religion. So, even Swami Vivekananda, Mr. Manishankar Iyer was quoting Vivekananda in 1893 in Chicago. See what Swami Vivekananda has said about Hinduism. It is an inclusive, even the courts have very clearly said that what is Hinduism. Hinduism is a way of life. It is not a religion. So people like Manishankar who have a colonial mindset, but of course, yes, Congress will always have that. And they will talk like that. So I strongly, deny whatever Manishankar has said. And at this age, I would like Mr. Manishankar Iyer to read what Swami Vivekananda had said, read what Veer Savarkar has clearly said, read what our RSS Sanghchalak, Sri Mohan Bhagavat has said recently on what is Hindutva and what is Hinduism. Without knowing this, Mr. Manishankar Iyer, just for the sake of the gallery, speaking to the gallery, he has told this, but of course,